Hello and welcome to the channel. In this episode I'm going to show you how to set up trading account for boom and crash index, volatility index, and the step index. But I'll pay more attention on the boom and crash index, and I'll show you how to do this using your smartphone. Although if you're using a desktop computer, you can still use the same process. It works exactly the same. For you to be able to set up your trading account for boom and crash index, just follow these steps I'm about to lay out. The first step to creating your boom and crash trading account is first go to the trading platform. To do that, I dropped a link on the description of this video somewhere here, as you can see on the screen. Click on the link. It will take you to the page where you will create your trading account. Now it will take you to this page. What you need to do is just to scroll down a little bit, then you click on the create free demo account. So once you create the free demo account, it will take you to this page where you will be required to input your email address. So what you do is you put your email address. So I'll put mine now. So once you do that, you tick the I agree to terms and conditions. So I'll tick it now. Then after which you click on create demo account. So once you click on create demo account, this page will appear. It will tell you to check your email. They will send you a link that will use to complete your setup. So what you do is to log into your email and use the link for your setup. So to log into my mail, I'll do that now. So this is my mail, and this is the mail they sent. So I'll just click on it. I'll open it up. Then here I'll click on verify and start trading. So I'll click here. So you get this pop-up, thank you for verifying your email, where do you live? So that's the next step. So you choose your country. After that, you click next. The next pop-up will appear. It will ask you to create a password. So this is a password you use to log into the trading platform. So make sure you use a password that you can remember. So I'll create my password. So I've inputted my password. The next thing you do is to click on start trading. So you click on start trading. Then your account. Okay. The next pop-up that will appear is this. You click on the DMT5, that's a MetaTrader 5. So I'll click on MetaTrader 5. Then it will take you to this page. On this page now, you see synthetic here. You see financial here. You have no business with financial anyway. And you see financial STP here. So you have no business with this one. What you just have business with is this synthetic here. So synthetic, and we are going to create a demo account. Demo account is for practice. Then if you want to create real account where you make real money, what you just do is to click on this real account above, the real account here, because the demo here is already highlighted. That's where we are currently at. So this demo is for practice. You use the money there to practice. Then if you're done practicing and you want to start making real money, then you go for real account. To open real account, what you just do is you click on real account here. Then the same process I'm about to follow is the same process you follow. If you want to see open, but for the purpose of this training, I'll go for the demo. So the same process I'm going to use to create a demo account, see, use the same process to create a real account if you want to start trading with real money. So the first thing you do is under synthetic here, you click on add demo account. Once you click on add demo account, it will ask you to create a password. You can use the same password you use while creating your account. This password you're about to create is what you use to link your account to the MetaTrader 5 platform. It's very important that you use a password you remember. So I'll go ahead and use the same password I used before while creating my account. So I've inputted my password. So the next thing I'll do is you click on the add account button below. Now this pop-up will appear indicating that your account creation was successful. So just click the OK button to proceed. So now we have successfully created our synthetic indices account. So the next step is to link it to our MetaTrader 5. It's on the MetaTrader 5 platform. That is where we are going to trade our boom and crash. Before you do that, it's important to remember your password and copy this number here. This number here. That's what we are going to use to link our account to the MetaTrader 5 platform. So you need to copy this number here and remember the password you just created. So I will just copy it by clicking the copy icon beside it. This is the copy icon beside it, or you can write it down somewhere, no problem. So to make it easier, I'll just click the copy icon. It's already copied. So the next step now, since I've done that, the next thing you need to do is to download the MetaTrader 5 platform. So I'll go to Play Store. Okay, you type MT5. So once you type MT5, you see the MetaTrader 5 here icon appear. So what you just do is to click on it. So once you click on it, this is how the app looks like and the logo. So you click install here to install the app on your phone. Now the installation is complete. The next thing you do is to click the open button there. So I'll click open. So now it has opened. The next step is to link my MT5 platform to my account, which I created earlier. So how do you do that? You just click this button menu icon there as indicated by the arrow. So after that, you click manage account here. You click manage account, then you click the add button there to add account. So you click the add button. So I'll click the add button now. Then here it will ask you to search find broker. Find broker. Under the find broker, what you're going to type is deriv. Before you finish it, you see deriv limited here. This is the deriv limited. That's what you click. So you click on deriv limited. Now you'll be asked to put in your login details and password. Remember, your login details is the number I asked you to copy, which I just copied. So I'll just come here and paste it. So I've pasted it already. I'll pull the password you created while creating your synthetic indices, your synthetic account. So I'll put my password. Okay, I've inputted my password. The next step is to select the server here. So the server here already is deriv demo that is already selected. Just in case you want to link your real account to your MetaTrader 5, you just need to select the real server here. So you select this deriv server if you're linking your real account. But since we are linking our demo account, so we are going to use demo. Okay, we'll leave it at demo. The next thing you do is to click on the login button. So I'll click on login button. Automatically you see that you're logged in already. Here you're logged in already. Demo synthetic. You understand? And you'll be given $10,000 USD to practice. You understand? Once you're done practicing, you can repeat this process. If you want to create a real account to make real money, you repeat the same process while you select your account as I told you earlier. Now your setup is complete. So to start trading boom and crash, what you do is you click on this button here. So once you click on this button here, it will take you to the chart. So once it takes you to the chart, remember this setup works for volatility index, step index, boom and crash index, but I'll pay more attention on the boom and crash index on this video. So you click on the dollar icon above, as you can see. So once you click it, you see the boom and crash index here. This boom 1000 index, this crash 1000 index, this boom 500 index, and this crash 500 index. So these are the types of boom and crash indices that is tradable on this platform. So let me show you how to trade boom and crash briefly. On the videos I've done before, you see how to use different strategies, winning strategies, to profitably trade this boom and crash index. Is a quite unique trading instrument, and I'll just show you how it works. So to trade any of the assets, for example the boom 1000 index, what I'll just do is I'll click on it. So once you click on it, it will open the chart. So this is how the chart looks and the 5 minutes time frame. So for me to select a lower time, or you can zoom out and you can zoom in by using your two fingers. You zoom out, you zoom in to know the direction of the asset, and you can change time frame. This is the 5 minutes time frame. You can change to M15, which is 15 minutes, M30, which is 30 minutes, H1, which is 1 hour, M1, which is 1 minute. So to help you to see previous price movement of the asset. So I'll choose the M30. So this is the M30. So if I zoom out, you see how it looks. This is how it looks. Then you tap on the screen. I select. Let me select 1 minute time frame here. So this is 1 minute time frame, and this is how boom and crash trend looks like. You notice that here there is a big candlestick here, and there are tiny candlesticks here. So these big candlesticks is called the spike. It's called spikes. So it happened once, and while the trend, yeah, the small candlesticks, and it doesn't happen once, it gradually form. And one thing you should understand is that on the boom index, one thing you should understand is that on the boom index, these spikes happens upward. It happens upward. While on crash index, the spike happen downward. Once it spikes downward and the trend goes upward. On boom, the spikes goes up and the trend comes downward, as you can see. So you can either trade the trend or trade the spikes. On my subsequent videos, you see detailed strategies on how to trade this profitably. So let me quickly show you how to place a trade on this boom and crash index. So assuming I've done my analysis and I feel that this is still going to go downward, so I'll open a sell position. To open a sell position, what you just need to do is you click on this add button there. Then it's already on market execution. You leave it at that. Then here is where you select your lot size. So you can change your lot size here to depending on your account size. So I will change this lot size to 0.20, which is the default lot size. So here you can add your stop loss and your take profit, but I won't explain that to you now. I'll explain that in subsequent videos in order not to confuse you. So but this stop loss and take profit is when you have developed a strategy and you want to apply them. Let me just show you how to simply place a trade. So as I said, we're going to place a sell trade. You click sell, the sell button down there. So once you click the sell button down there, automatically the trade has been placed. And here you see here is the progress of the trade that you opened. So once you start making profit, this number here will turn green. You understand? As it just turned green now, I've started making profit. So that is how it works. That is how it works. The higher the lot size you use, I use a lot size of 0.20. The higher the lot size you use, the faster your profit accumulates. That is how to open a sell position. So if you want to open a buy position, you still use the same process. So you go back, maybe after you have done your analysis and you feel that the trend is going to go upward, is going to go upwards. So we open a buy position. To open a buy position, you open a buy position. To open a buy position, you still follow the same process by clicking the add button above. Once you click on it, then it's already on market execution. Leave it at market execution. Then you select your lot size. So I'll use default lot size of 0.20. Then after that, I'll click on the buy button there. So that buy button simply indicates that I'm speculating that the price of this asset is gonna go up. It's gonna go up. So I'll click buy. So as you click buy, you see the progress here. This is the previous one. This is the previous trade I opened, the sell position, and this is the last one I just opened, the buy. As you can see sell and see buy. If you want to close the trade, what you just do is I made $5 profit already, and if you want to close it to secure this profit, what you just do is to click and hold on this boom 1000 index or any other set you want to open. You follow the same process. So click and hold, or click and hold. This message will appear. You click on close position. So you click on close, then you go ahead and say click close down there. So I just closed the position and secured the profit of $5. So watch my subsequent videos on how to trade with different strategies to be able to actually analyze and place profitable trade. So thanks for watching.